Hi everybody, this is your professor Ian Jones. Welcome to English 1C, the 6-week summer version of the course. So this is a short video where I'm going to show you Canvas, which is the site we'll be using for the course. It's all online. So if you're brand new to Canvas, welcome. If you're an old hand at Canvas, welcome back. A couple quick things. Over here on the left-hand margin, left-hand side of the screen, you'll see this is called your global navigation bar. You can go to support services at Chafee. You can check your inbox. You can put things in your calendar, assignments and such. You can go to all your courses, change your account, all that, all that kind of stuff that has to do with the bigger picture of Canvas. Right now we're in your course. So, if you're in your dashboard, whoops. I can't do that because I'm in student view, so don't worry about it. Let's just go back to the course. You're in 1C. Here are your course navigation options. Here's the home page for it. There's announcements. I'll make announcements throughout the semester, so you can go and check things that I've said before if you're looking for some of the information that I've posted there. Modules, that's the most important thing, and I'll come back to that in a second. That's the most important tab in this entire course, is the one I use all the time. Assignments, you can check on what's coming up, but again, you can find that information in modules. Grades, if you want to look over your grades. And then I have a link to the OWL at Purdue if you have questions about writing concerns and such. That's the best resource. That's where I will always point you. So I put that link there. Anyways, here's the home page. You can see yours might look different if you're on a different device. I'm on my laptop here. So there's just a blurb about the course. If you click here, it'll take you to a welcome video. You've probably already seen that if you're watching this video, or maybe you haven't. Who knows? Welcome video. Here's a link to the syllabus if you want to copy that. It's also in perusal, which we'll get to know more about later. A little bit about me. There's my two little kids. Samuel, two little sweet guys. This is a kind of an older picture. He's about almost a year and a half, and he's about 3.5, so they're much bigger than that. But anyways, information on contacting me, my preferred hours, if you want to make an appointment to see me, format. I think this is all in the syllabus as well. My role as an instructor, what to do if you need help, the textbook, free textbooks this semester, all online reading and stuff. Link to the modules tab, and this too will take you to the modules tab. I'm pretty sure. Let's test that. Oh, see, not yet. I need to fix that link. But anyways, I'm still building the course. Let's go to modules and take a look. Okay, so this is the most important page on Canvas, on the Canvas site. This is where you go for all the readings, all the assignments, all the everything is here on modules. You really don't need to go anywhere else. Maybe announcements to see to access those announcements that I make. So anyways, there is module 0, as I call it. This is just information about the course. You're watching the Canvas walkthrough. There's information about how we communicate, information about contacting your professor with concerns, things about the discussion, a walkthrough perusal, a similar video to this where I take you through the app that we use all the time in this course, and then a help forum, a help discussion board if you want to discuss with each other. I don't monitor that this much, that help forum, so that's mostly for you. Let me show you a couple things specifically. So every week we'll have a module overview, and that's just, it's usually a bit longer than this. It'll have a video where I discuss what we're doing that week, and then I have, I like to go through the exact things that we're doing. And, Canvas, you can also navigate by pressing the next button. So that will take you, to the next page in my order of pages. You don't have to do it that way, but I've put some thought into how you should navigate through this information. So it's a good idea to follow through. Ding, 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 ding. But you don't have to. Anyways, you can use that. And then every week I also have a link to my office hours. During the summer, I do office hours by appointment. So if you make an appointment with me to, say, chat at 1 o'clock on Wednesday, here's where you come to click to enter my office. If you're having trouble, just let me know. I can send you a link as well, but you should be able to access it very easily via Canvas. You can check to see if I'm in my office. If you knock on that, if you click on that link, it will take you to my Zoom room, and if I'm there, you can just do a drop-in too if I'm there and free to speak, but no guarantees if you don't make an appointment during the summer. Okay, so that's just intro to Canvas stuff, please look that over right away. And then also right away, because this is a 6-week course, we need to jump into the material. So the first week we'll be looking at short fiction, and here's how each module will be set up. There will be an overview again where I talk about what's going on that week and I go through all the different assignments. And then there'll be a section of things that are due by Wednesday, and then a section of things that are due by Sunday. And finally, a link to my office hour at the end of every module. So you can see there'll be a couple more things too. I'm still building this. There's an introductory lecture I have to post right here at the beginning, but then there's a discussion, there's a couple documents to read, there's a concept quiz, another discussion, and then finally a Flipgrid video to post. So if you just move through those by Wednesday, then by Sunday there'll be a couple more concept quizzes to complete for this part of the week. Like I said, I'm still building the course, but this is basically what it will look like. And then I've already posted the material for response paper number 1, the instructions, and then some of the resources to concentrate on while you're writing. These are just practice quizzes to help you master some of these things that I'll be looking for in the response paper. And then down here, if you keep going down, there will be another module. Right now, this is the only thing that's open. I have it so that everything opens up on Sunday, so that the next module opens up, or the next part of the module. I split it into 3 modules: module on short fiction, module on drama, and a module on poetry. So there's 1.1, as you see there, 1.2, and then 2.1, 2.2, 3.1, 3.2. So those will open up as we go through. Right now, they're unavailable, but those will open up, as I said, as we go through, and you can just scroll down and get to those. And then the response papers, I'll move that module down as we go, but all the material will be here in a separate module. Okay, so that's about it for how I use Canvas. I don't really have anything else to say. Again, modules is by far the most important page. That's where everything is housed, very centrally located. If you have any questions or concerns, you're having any technical difficulties, please get a hold of me right away. This is a very fast-moving course. We need to iron out any difficulties you're having so that you can fully engage with the material. Anyways, that's about it for now. Thank you very much. Email me if you have any questions or concerns, and otherwise, enjoy the course.